Alright everyone, Cody here, coming to you from my home base. So, it recently snowed, it's been a few days, and I want to show you something. So I'm going to change the camera angle to facing towards the sun. You can see the sun is hitting the snow and bouncing off in a spectacular fashion. It's extremely glittery and shiny, it's great. I hope that's coming across on the camera. It doesn't look like it is in the preview screen, but what's going on here is the snow has formed these extremely long, like sail-like crystals that come up off the surface that kind of resemble like 1/6 of a snowflake, like one arm of the snowflake, but grown to an enormous size. Now these are forming because the sunlight is able to penetrate this thin layer of snow. You can see it's only a few inches deep. The sunlight is able to go through the snow and heat the ground underneath of it. When that happens, the ice that's there, the nearby snow, the moisture in the soil, sublimates. It turns directly from a solid to a gas. It's getting the energy from the sun in order to do that. It's like water evaporating, it's just happening at below zero, below the normal freezing point of water. So anyway, as this water vapor comes up through the snow, it's still pretty warm because snow is really good at insulating. But once it hits the atmosphere above, it cools off dramatically, back down to a temperature where the water can remain solid. And what it does is it then sticks to the nearest nucleation site that it can and form solid water. And what is that nearest nucleation site? Well, it's a tip of a ice crystal that's poking up out of the snow, a limb of a snowflake. Those water molecules collect on that and grow it to this enormous size, leaving me with the snow that's covered in little sails that catch the sunlight and glisten. Now if I come over here, you can see there's a little juniper tree. Now this tree shades the ground here during the day. That keeps the sunlight from being able to reach the ground and heating it up. It stays cold. And as a result, the snow that's underneath this tree does not have those long sails. It's the original snowflakes here. Coming just over here, where the sunlight is no longer blocked by the tree, and you got these sails coming up out of the snow. Isn't that cool? Oh, little one. Oh, it's got another entrance, I see. Look at these crystals, though.